everyone, welcome back to my channel Style Up India. This is me Nisha here and I'm back with another video. We all have grown up watching and listening to Rapunzel's story and we all have dreamed of long and strong and shiny hair. But we also know that in real life it's not easy to maintain long hair क्योंकि बहुत ही मुश्किल से पहली बात तो हम long hair grow कर पाते हैं and जब वो grow हो जाते हैं तो फिर split ends की breakage की problem होने लगती है and then either we have to cut them off or we have to start using DIYs. So बहुत ही हैसल हो जाता है, बहुत ही प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाता है मेंटेन करना लॉन्ग हेयर्स को. सो आई एम हियर टू टॉक अबाउट वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन फॉर ऑल दिस हैसल्स and if you guys want to know about what I'm going to talk about, so keep on watching. And before we start a video, it will really mean a world to me if you just click on that red subscribe button and the bell icon button. So yeah, let's get started. Basically, L'Oreal Paris has launched the Dream Length hair care range. The first one is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length Restoring Shampoo and the other one is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length Detangling Conditioner, and it has also a third product that is the hero product of this range. This is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length No Haircut Cream. So basically, अगर आप ये तीनों प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हो, you can achieve your dream length hair. So this is the product I'm really excited to talk about. It protects your hair from two major enemies, that is the split ends and breakage. It has the restoring formula, a cocktail of vegetal, keratin, vitamins and also the castor oil. And हम सबको पता है ये तीनों चीज़ें ही कितनी ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है हमारी हेयर के लिए. लाइक ये हमारी हेयर लेंथ को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाती है, सील करती हैं एंड ऑल्सो इट मेक्स ईजियर टू स्टाइल अ हेयर. ऑल्सो आप अपने बालों को लंबा रख सकते हैं एज लॉन्ग एज you wish. So let me just quickly tell you how you can use this product, but before that I'm going to wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner, and this is how my hair looks like before I wash them. So I'm gonna wash them with shampoo and conditioner and then I'll come back and show you how you can use this product. So I just have washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner and now I'm going to apply this L'Oreal Paris Dream Length No Haircut Cream on my hair. So basically right now my hair is in semi-dry condition and I'm just going to take a few amount of this. I've taken this much and now I'm going to just take it in my palm and run my finger into my hair. Start applying from the mid-length till the tip of your hair. Do not apply at the root of your hair as this is just a leave-in conditioner. Apply at the tip of your hair like this. Make sure you don't rub your hand on your hair like this. Just run the fingers in your hair. I really like the packaging of this product. Like this is orange and pink in color, so it's so girlish kind of a packaging. Also it's also a travel friendly package, like it's very in lightweight and I really like the smell of this product. It's so mild and yet काफी amazing है and it just goes after some time. So the smell is also fine. Like if you have a problem with fragrance, so it's just okay. It just goes in few minutes. Not only this, it is perfect to use before hair dryer and hair straightening as it protects from heat protection up to 180 degrees Celsius. Also sometimes we go through the bad hair days, so you can apply on your dry hair. At that time it instantly adds shine and makes your hair look fresher. So I've been using this product since 2.5 weeks now and I can say that I've seen the difference into my hair. Like अगर मैं आपको अपने बाल दिखाऊं तो मेरी एंड्स कुछ इस तरह से दिखती है. ऊपर से यूजुअली मेरे बाल काफ़ी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट एंड स्मूथ रहते हैं, बट नीचे की जो एंड्स है वो काफ़ी पूंछ जैसी दिखने लगती है, नोकें दिखने लगती हैं, ड्राई दिखने लगती हैं. एंड आप देख सकते हैं अभी मेरे बालों में बिल्कुल भी स्प्लिट एंड्स नहीं है. लाइक जो मेरे हेयर की ऊपर की क्वालिटी है सेम नीचे की भी क्वालिटी सेम ही है. सो आई हैव सीन द डिफरेंस. ऑल्सो जब भी मैं इसे अपने बालों में अप्लाई करती हूँ मेरे बाल इंस्टेंटली सॉफ्ट एंड स्मूथ फील करने लगते हैं, शाइनी फील करने लगते हैं. ऑल्सो इट मेक्स माई हेयर ईजियर टू स्टाइल. So this is 200 ml bottle, comes for 499 rupees and it has no paraben, no sulfate, so it is safe to use. So what are you waiting for? Grab your hands on this product. Link is given in the description box below. Do check it out. And yeah, that's it. I think this is the end of my video. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. I love you all. Bye.